Good afternoon and welcome to a special New York Metro weather severe weather briefing. Severe weather is in progress across the area, so this is a bit of an update on the situation and how things are going. You can see there's a very active event ongoing. Severe thunderstorm warnings over Dutchess, Orange, Rockland, Passaic, Bergen, Warren, back over Pennsylvania, and even down in Jersey, Burlington, Camden, Ocean. We'll take a look at the storm up in Dutchess County first. Oh, look at that, we just got a new warning posted for Morris, Sussex, Passaic. We'll check out these storms over Dutchess right now. We'll zoom in on them. This storm has a 1.32 inch hail marker, and over the past few hours has been shifting to the east. With time, these storms are beginning to get a little bit of help from the upper levels. They have been pulsing up and down all day. This storm over Rockland and Orange County has been sitting here for a while. It has produced some small hail, some gusty winds. The hail marker just under an inch in that area. Here's the storm that just got a new warning on it over Warren County. This progressing east over the Delaware River has a big hail marker on it, just shrunk down to about an inch. But you zoom in on this storm, we'll go into the areas where the effects are being felt: Belvedere, Bangor, Portland. This storm, just over 40,000 feet right now. The probability of severe hail is rather small, but the maximum estimated hail is over an inch and a quarter. You see the little orange, the orange area on the radar. All the way back down here into Bucks, Montgomery, Lehigh, and Berks County is another storm. And we have more storms firing on the sea breeze down here in Ocean, Camden, Burlington counties, with a severe thunderstorm warning on those too. So it's an active day. You can see the blue box severe thunderstorm watch that goes until 9 o'clock p.m. tonight. These storms are expected to continue to shift eastward. They're gaining some steam finally and may begin to impact areas into New Jersey and New York City later tonight. There's a lot to look at, and you can see the Storm Prediction Center has a severe thunderstorm watch issued until 9 p.m. Here was the initial radar, and you can see how the storms have progressed since the watch was issued. What's driving these storms? There's a shortwave over central Pennsylvania we noted this morning. It's moving eastward, and you can see there's now 2,000 joules of CAPE over an area from basically southeast Pennsylvania into west central and northern New Jersey and up into New England. This axis, this area, is where these storms are going to move into, and they could be severe as probably as far east as New York City. But it's important to note here this blue area and the sharp drop-off in instability to the east. There are southeast winds on the latest observation at Newark. There's a sea breeze, which means the air is becoming more stable over Long Island, over New York City, and over the Jersey Shore. So it's going to be harder to get severe weather in this area, and if the storms do get there, they'll likely be elevated, which means they'll be rooted above the surface layer, and it'll be harder for them to produce severe winds or severe levels, pretty much. This is a surface vorticity and 0 to 3 kilometer CAPE, and you can see that there's pretty high numbers over western New England, where we're getting some severe thunderstorm development, and even to the east over New Jersey here. The slight risk from the Storm Prediction Center remains in effect through tonight, and as we mentioned, the severe thunderstorm watch is still in effect. Also, one more glance at the radar, and you can see this event should begin to impact areas in New Jersey and to the east later over the next few hours, probably through around 8 o'clock p.m., and then the storms will likely begin to become elevated. As we mentioned, the severe thunderstorm risk tapers off dramatically over Nassau and Suffolk County, although we can't rule out an isolated severe wind gust or two. So stay safe, keep an eye to the sky. Be sure to stay with us on Facebook and Twitter, because we're relaying these warnings immediately to you guys. If you see a storm or you hear thunder or lightning, get indoors. These storms can be severe, damaging wind producers, and there's frequent lightning being reported. We actually had one user reporting power lines down with frequent lightning. So stay safe, stay with us on Twitter, and we'll get you through the night. We'll talk to you guys soon.